What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the iPad 7th generation, so let's get started. If you guys haven't already watched the previous iPad video, make sure to watch that video before this one, because I unboxed the iPad 7th gen along with the Apple Pencil 1st gen. iPad comes in at an incredible price to value ratio, starting at $329 and in even most cases cheaper, appealing to many people because its support for Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard, allowing you to type endlessly because it operates using the iPad's battery itself. Coming with the A10 Fusion chip, yes, the same one from the iPhone 7, which unbelievably still holds up great in 2020. The speakers are mono when in landscape and stereo when in portrait. The new 10.2-inch screen is Retina, not the most color accurate, but it still has a resolution of 2160 by 1620 at 264 ppi. It's not the most color accurate display, but it's enough that content is still enjoyable. The screen size is a great middle ground for playing games, multitasking, and making notes. Now you can connect a keyboard to get some serious work done, since now the iPad is being marketed as your next computer is not a computer, because of the release of iPadOS 13. Last year, which added multitasking, and this year with the upcoming iPadOS 14. The iPad is also a great device to either enter the Apple ecosystem or add to it. For example, if I were to get a message on my iPhone, I will be able to see that same message on my iPad. If I were to start an email on my iPhone, I could finish it using the Smart Keyboard with the iPad. But what if I was filling out a form on a Mac and it needed my signature? I could just use Sidecar and connect it to the Mac and use it as an external display using Sidecar. And then what I could do is sign it using the Apple Pencil. Speaking of documents, the iPad comes with two sets of cameras, the front-facing at 1.2 megapixels and the rear at 8 megapixels, which can be used for scanning documents, casual iPad photography, and augmented reality. The front can be used for some selfies which are not great quality. It can also be used for video calls, conferences, and virtual learning. The iPad is very portable. It is only 7.5 millimeters thick, which will easily fit into any backpack. Something that I will tell you to keep in mind is that if you're going to be traveling around a lot, consider getting a screen protector and a case. Another thing to consider when getting a case, get one that protects the iPad from all sides. Or what you could do is get a companion case, which protects the iPad, at the same time allows you to use the Smart Keyboard with it. Battery life is crucial when you have to get what you have to do done without plugging in. So it comes with a standard 10 hours of battery life. If you made it this far in the video, there's a little complaint that I have, which is that there's a lack of a laminated display and there is no anti-reflective coating, which means that it makes it almost impossible to see in sunlight. A laminated display means that there's a tiny air gap between the display and the iPad's glass itself. So you might be asking, when was the laminated display technology introduced? It was actually introduced 6 years ago with the iPad Air 2 in 2014. Well, another question you might have in your mind is, what did we get compared to the 2018 model? Well, we got a new screen size, we also got 1st gen Smart Keyboard support, and we also got eSIM support for the cellular models. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.